Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got a great one from Red Chef. This is their spicy Sakura prawn soup noodle. As you can see here, it's been in the top 10 instant noodles of all time. And it's very much deserved. So, this one's a pretty quick one to prepare. 3 minutes, 400 mils of water, add everything in, you're good to go. Let's do that. Big paste sachet. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Onions. Seasoning. All right. Dropping these in. Oh, come on. Come on. Cooperate. This is the first time I've done a review since, what, in 12 days. This one, and I've done 2 so far today, but it's been 12 days since I've done a review. That's kind of the bonus of being like over 100 reviews ahead. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So I said I was going to show you something heavy and really cool. Let me do that. So for my birthday, my sister gave me a rock. That's great, huh? I got a rock for my birthday. But if you turn the rock around, you'll see that's just not a regular kind of rock. This thing's a fossil. My dad got it years ago, and she made me the curator of this fascinating object, which I appreciate. Thank you. Yeah, this is called a trilobite. It's incredibly old and heavy. Yeah, check that out. It's all spiky. Yeah. Neat ancient thing. I will try to do my best to take good care of it. It's the best I can do. Yeah. It's funny, I have like all these fascinating weird things that I have, and I really like having fascinating weird things, but it's a responsibility. Objects are weird. God, we watched this show called Hoarders. I don't consider myself a hoarder, except of things that are like really fascinating. But, I don't know. Oh, I've got a BBS now. It's up and running. Go to, if you know what that is, cool. If you don't worry about it, because it's like, this is like old fart stuff, early computer junk. But you can go to motherloadbbs.duckdns.org and point your telnet client to that, and you can go play Legend of the Red Dragon and this and that. I'll probably mention it a few times, but yeah, Motherload, L-O-D-E, not L-O-A-D, Motherload, one word, .duckdns.org. So yeah, I've got tons of old BBS games on there. It's pretty neat. I like it. I'm impressed by it. It's sitting on a laptop that I got for $10 at a thrift store the other, 2 or 3 weeks ago. And yeah, it's fun. That's what I did when I was a kid. It was before the internet, and I mean, the internet existed, but it wasn't like it is today. And it's all text. You need to get a thing called Syncterm, S-Y-N-C-T-E-R-M. Google that. Get that app for your desktop, or laptop or whatever. You don't want to even bother trying doing this stuff on a phone. It's pointless. All right, so here we go. Here we go. We'll add our liquid. Yeah, I like would go to school, come home, get on my computer, had my own phone line with it, and people would call and play games on there or chat or whatever. It was fun. It was really cool. That was a long time ago. That was like early 90s. And what I got running right now that you can go check out is basically the same thing, except it uses the internet instead of a phone line. And definitely won't work with like broadband. Or, we don't have a regular phone. We just have a, Anyways, this is the Sakura prawn noodle, and it's wonderful stuff. It is spicy, not like angry spicy, but it is spicy, and it is really strong on the prawn, which I think is great. I learned all about prawn when I went to Penang years ago. I think that was like 7 years ago. We got to take a trip to Penang, Malaysia, and really learned about the flavors that are available over there. And wow, it's just like, how good is it? It's really good. All right. Now these are fried onion, which really are nice. Here's their noodle that they use. Regular fried noodle. Actually, it's a really good one. It has a nice plumpness to it. Really soaks up the flavor nicely. Yes. Yes, indeedly do. Here's the broth. Look at that. Strong. Sweet, spicy, prawn tabulous. God, I love this stuff. You can't go wrong. Unless you don't like prawn, like strong prawn flavor, which I know some of you out there really don't like such a thing, but I freaking love it. Some people really don't like Hokkien prawn noodle here in the States. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with you. I've had people like that I've given prawn varieties to that are just like, oh my god, it smells horrible, it tastes horrible. It's like, I don't get it. How can you not absolutely love it? Come here, you. Ooh. Okay, we got an egg. Okay, let's behave now, egg. You don't want to behave. It's a Tuesday morning, of course you don't want to behave. Yeesh. So our local store, in their way, decided not to have extra large eggs, which drives me insane. I don't know why. There's one shrimp, prawn, monster. I think that's enough. There's no room for anything else. Okay. Need some mung bean sprout. I'm gonna add some, come on, here's some spring onion, and a little, getting in my eyeball, a bit of Fresno chilies. Another way you can't go wrong. A little bit of tofu. One there. One there. Where'd I put it? Where'd my fork go? There it is. So I'm getting some color on this tofu. Yeah, see? That's better. And some sheets. Now, the one thing we must not forget is the crispy onion topping, which is really good. Where do you want to go? Go right there. Beauty, eh? Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to add this little sprig of mint. Where do I want to put you? Like a boutonniere. Beautiful. Well, my daughter is anxiously waiting for her lunch, so I got to wrap this one up, but yes, sir. If you like prawn, like I like prawn, this stuff will blow your mind. Cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one up will be this Red Chef Red Chef Pandan white curry noodle. Yeah, that's next. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.